Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how you can insert Roman numerals inside of Microsoft Word using a quick formula. Typing out the lower end of the Roman numerals is pretty quick and easy, but what happens when you see the higher numbers? Not something that most people can remember off the top of their head. Luckily, you can use a quick formula to insert it for you. If you're on a Windows PC, press Ctrl and F9 at the same time. If you're having a problem getting the formula to appear, you may have to activate your function hotkeys, so instead press Ctrl and F9 and then the Fn or function key at the same time. If you're on a Mac like I am, press Command and F9. If you're having an issue on your Mac, you may have to turn on your function keys inside of Preferences like I did. Open Preferences and choose Keyboard. Inside of here, make sure that you have a check mark next to Use F keys as standard function keys. Now back in Word, press your formula shortcut, and inside of the brackets type equals the number that you want in Roman numerals, backslash, asterisk or star, and then type Roman. Once you're done, select the formula and then hit F9 again. Again, on the PC, if you're having an issue and you need to use the function hotkey, remember to press Fn and F9 at the same time. On the Mac version, if you're having an issue converting the formula over to the Roman numerals, you can again select the entire formula and then right-click on it and choose Update Field. It will then convert over for you. I've seen in other tutorials where people were having issues getting the formula to work for them, and I've went through every comment and suggestion to find the things that have worked for people. So hopefully with the function hotkey tip, Mac keyboard preferences, and the Update Field option, this formula should work for you without any problems.